Greetings, gastronauts. This is KeefCooks. I'm Keef, and today, banana bread. Before we start, quick shout out to Alan Brown, my new Patreon fan. Hello, Alan. Thank you. And another shout out to Ginny Callum Young, who sent me this picture of some bananas. A little bit past their best, but perfect for banana bread. And a caption, you have to stop telling yourself you're going to make banana bread. You're not going to make banana bread. Just let them go, man. So, yeah, I always have some bananas hanging about, literally. And so this is actually the second bunch where most of them have just gone black because we haven't got round to eating them. I don't know why. But, of course, the perfect thing to do with a black banana, or two, or three, is make banana bread. So that's what we're going to do. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. Ring the bell, ding-a-ding-ding, and let's get on with it. For your banana bread, which isn't really bread, it's more like a cake, you'll need a tin. This is a 2-pound loaf tin. I'll put the dimensions in the description below. By the way, if you're on mobile and you can't find the description, there's a little arrow on the right edge of the screen underneath the video window, and that will open out a panel with all the good stuff in it, because somebody was asking. Okay, so I've got 225 grams of self-raising flour. I've got 175 grams of caster sugar, powdered sugar. I've got 100 grams of softened unsalted butter, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And what else? Oh yeah, bananas. Beautiful, massively overripe bananas. Probably 2 or 3 of those because they're quite small. A little bit of prep. Got to peel the bananas. I mean, they look and feel awful, but inside they're perfectly fine, as you can see. Just very, very overripe. And by the way, the reason I keep my bananas hanging up separate from any other fruit is that they give off a gas that will cause other fruit to ripen rapidly, and it's not a good thing, because basically then they go off. I have to let it go, man. Okay, there. Mash with a fork. I'm just going to chop the butter into smaller pieces so that they'll blend in more easily. And smash the eggs into a bowl so I can pour them in more easily, and also make a bit more washing up. Whoa. Put all the dry ingredients in first of all and mix those together. And then add everything else. It's dead easy, this. There was a bit of a craze during lockdown, you know, the COVID confinement, when people were bored and started learning to cook and making videos of that. And one of the things that most people made was banana bread. But I didn't, because I thought I'd already done it. But it turns out I was wrong. That does happen. You need to preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius for a fan oven, convection oven. That's 180 for a normal one, and that is gas 4. And then we can set this to mix for about 2 minutes. And while that's happening, I'm just going to butter the inside of my tin, which makes no pretense at being non-stick. And this will make it nice and easy to remove the cake after you've baked it, or the bread cake, or the cake bread, you know, the banana stuff. Let's get this going. Let's put the thingy on. Okay, we're done, so take the thing off. Chuck it in the tin. and level off the top with a spatula as well as you can. And then that goes in the oven for about an hour, and then take it out and test it with a skewer. If the skewer comes out clean, it is done. Alright, time's up. It's quite seriously dark. And that is definitely clean, that is done. Okay, that should be quite straightforward. Right, we'll just let that cool down and then slice it open and have a taste. Okay, that's had, well, a good half hour to cool down while I've been doing the washing up. And now, it's taste test time with banana bread. Oh yes. Oh, it's still warm. Yep. Delicious. Banana-y. Nice crumb. Nice crust. I have seen things like this spread with butter, and I'm sure that would be marvellous. But what it really desperately needs is a cup of tea. Okay, banana bread. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.